Good day, everyone. Let me begin with a question. What if just being yourself put a target on your back? For that of LGBTQIA+ youth, that's not some hypothetical. It's just daily life. Think about it. For some kids, school isn't about learning or seeing friends. It's about worrying. Will people judge me today? Will I have to hide who I am just to get through the day? School is supposed to be a place where we grow, where you feel like you belong. But for these students, it's the opposite. They end up feeling isolated, pushed out, and alone. That kind of fear and loneliness isn't something we can brush off anymore. LGBTQIA+ youth face bullying, discrimination, and just plain isolation. It chips away at their confidence, hurts their mental health, and sometimes even crashes their hopes for the future. No one should feel unsafe just for being themselves. So how do we fix this? How do we make school and world safer and better for us all? First, start with education that respects differences. When teachers and students really get what makes people unique, it sparks empathy, and empathy that leads to real kindness. Next, anti-bullying rules must mean something. If someone uses hurtful words or action, they need to be held accountable. And when someone reaches for help, they cannot be ignored. School also needs safe spaces that are easy to find. That could be a supportive teacher, a guidance counselor, or LGBTQ+ club. Just knowing someone has your back, that matters. But honestly, the biggest change starts with us. The students, the friends, the people who see what is really happening every day. When we stand up for each other, when we choose respect over cruelty, we make the circle bigger. And that is huge. Acceptance does not cost anything, but it can save a life. Sometimes, it is as simple as sitting next to someone who is alone, standing up when you hear something cruel, or just using someone's real name and pronouns. Those tiny things, they make a world of difference. Our words can break someone down or help them heal. Every act of kindness is like an armor for someone fighting their own battles. Imagine a school where LGBTQIA+ youths can walk down the hallway with no fear, where people laugh for real, where everyone's identity is respected and nobody feels like an outsider. That is not just a rule, that is a promise. Every student gets to feel safe, valued, and loved. Let us be the generation that keeps that promise. So LGBTQIA+ young person can say, I belong here, I am safe here, I'm seen here. Thank you.